Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is BOXYCHARM day, and as you know, if you've seen any of my videos, I do love my BOXYCHARM, so I'm really excited to dig into this and try everything on. You guys know the drill. I'm going to try everything out, let you know what I think. If you want to see what's in the October BOXYCHARM and see me try on some things, just keep watching. Alright, so I have kind of popped it open, and I'm going to kind of quickly take a look at what's in it to see what I'm going to do and what I'm not going to do on camera. That's the little theme. It's really cool looking, like smoky. These are the goodies that I've gotten in my box. This is the Pharmacy Green Clean. I actually already went through a full size of this product and I absolutely love it. Now the thing is though, this is not a full size, and BOXYCHARM is always like, ooh, full size products, but this is definitely not a full size. So they're kind of like skirting the rules with that, or like their little tagline, but I do love this product. It's a little light green color. It smells like fresh, and I don't know how to put it. It's like grassy and lemony at the same time. They are a very natural brand. They actually source their ingredients locally, and I think it's really cool. I love the brand and I do love this product. I think the full size is around 35, 38. This one retails for $22. So if you wanted to try it out in this size, you would basically go to like Sephora and look on the little travel size section, because that's where you find things that are this size. Still really excited to have it, do not get me wrong. So $22 for that. This is by Dermovia Lace Appeal with Compression Technology Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Whew. And then there's like more intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. Okay, so you get 2 lace masks and you get a tube. But this is what the packaging looks like really quick so you guys can see. Medium peel intensity. I didn't realize that there were intensities to it. So let's open this up. I do have moisturizer on my face, which you can probably tell because I'm like shining. So I'm going to take a makeup wipe and remove that before we try this baby out. Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask is in the tube here. Oh, it's actually lace. That's crazy. Let's see what this looks like. This is literally like a layer of lace. This could be a Halloween costume. Let me read these instructions. Cleanse and dry face. I'm going to use the little Ulla Henriksen Nurture Me wipe to get all the moisturizer off. It says to apply an even layer of peel paste to targeted areas, avoiding eye, eyebrows, hairline, and lip. Okay. Line up holes with eyes, nose, and mouth. Press lace mask to where the peel paste is applied. And then it's got like little hooks around the ears. So let's do it. Definitely on the nose. It has a very interesting consistency to it. It's like sticky. It smells nice. It smells a little apple-ish actually. My little chin area has been breaking out lately, so I'm gonna make sure to get that. Okay, let's put our lace on. Wear the mask for 15 to 20 minutes until dry. Peel off mask in downward motion, or rinse any residue with warm water. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 15 or 20 minutes and then we'll be back. All right, it's time for some peeling magic. So let's unhook my ears.
Okay. This is peeling downward motion. Get it right here, like it's, oh, there it is. Let me help her get started. Oh, this is medium intensity. What the hell is high? I don't want to know. Let's see. Come on, bro. There we go. Okay, oh, that's not so bad. Okay. Oh, took some peach fuzz with it. Okay. I can do, oh, it's a full coverage foundation day after all this redness.
Alright, time to rinse the rest of my face and do a little skincare, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, and as you can see, I put on some foundation and went ahead and did brows. I took a little peek at what was in my box and what I was going to use, so I'm gonna dive back in. And the next thing I see is the Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. So I don't know what all is in this, so I didn't do anything other than bronzer. So I don't know if I'm gonna be contouring, blush, highlight, whatever with this. I think this has some eyes in it, I'm hoping. I'm pretty sure that it does. But I didn't wanna look super close at all the like pictures and videos of people using this. So here's what it looks like. It's got the little masquerade front. And oh, it's both sides. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. Looks like blush, and let's see, maybe this is a highlight. Looks a little powdery, but still pretty. I guess I'm gonna go in with this brighter shade up here. I'm gonna just go super light at first because I don't know how pigmented this is going to be. I like that it's not insane pigmentation. I would much rather build up my blush than go in too strong. That's pretty nice. Let's watch this deeper one here. That looks pretty. These two shades, it looks like it's like a soft highlight and then a blush for deeper skin tones. I could probably use them for something, but those are really gorgeous for darker complexions. And then these are the blush that I just used in that lighter highlight. So let's go ahead and try out the highlight. This highlight is called Twilight. The blush I used is called Hidden Secret. I'm gonna use this Wayne Goss number 15 fan brush. One of the only fan brushes I actually like. Okay, that highlight's really pretty. It looks a little powdery on the swatch, but on the face is really all that matters, and it's looking cute. So if you like a more blinding highlight, this one you just have to kind of build up. I think that looks really pretty, so let's just kiss the Cupid's bow a little bit, and then go down the center of my nose. I'm gonna quickly do a little nose contour with this little fluffy eyeshadow brush. So I kept that really soft. I didn't want to go overboard because that Lorac palette is so pigmented. So, okay, we've got 6 shades of shadow. This is what they are looking like here. Give you a little bit better view. These are all pretty like deep, more intense shades. I think I'm gonna go in with the old retired Naked palette, the original OG, the one that I've had. And I honestly I bought these when I wasn't that into makeup, but I never like reached for them over the years, like just occasionally. But we're gonna go in. I'm gonna take the shade Naked and go into the crease. I usually wouldn't use a palette that's like retired and show you guys, but it's a classic. We all understand. You can see I kind of started in the crease and then I'm just working my way up and blending. Okay, I think we got a good transition. I'm just gonna sit this baby down. There's only one matte in here, which is this darker brown. This is the shade Sneak Peek. I'm gonna take that into the crease and outer corner. So I'm just gonna dip in a little bit and start light and see what we look like. It's blending into that transition really nicely. I'm gonna try out the shade Disguise, which is this purple tone here. I'm gonna try it on a brush and actually try to blend it and just see what happens. It is a shimmer, but it's kind of a softer shimmer. We're gonna see if it works since we only have that one matte to play with. It's not too bad, honestly. It's actually blending with minimal fallout too. I'm actually impressed. Being that it's a shimmer, I've got a little spray of fallout, but it's really not bad considering. It's all gone, didn't leave anything over top my makeup. You could definitely do eyes before face if you wanted to and just save any chance of that happening. But I actually think this is a pretty good palette, especially looking at it. This could be kind of intimidating for someone who doesn't do a lot of color because they're dark and colorful, but I actually really, really like it. I'm here for it. So I think what I want to do is cut the crease a little bit and use this green, which is called Mask Off. I'm really tempted to see what it looks like. So I'm going to make a little mixture, and I'm going to dab a little concealer on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to do a little bit of NYX glitter glue. And this has been like my favorite concoction to cut my crease and also pack a shimmer shade on top of it. So it just works for me. You guys do whatever works for you. I'm gonna take my finger while that one's still tacky and tap some on. Ooh, that is so pretty. I'm gonna take this little pencil brush and pick up some of that green and pack it in the corner. That's really, really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna use a different finger and pick up that purple and just make sure that we haven't like covered it or lost any intensity there. They're just kind of side by side. I'm gonna take that brush that we blended the purple in with, and with no extra product, just kind of pat and blend. Oh, it's cute. Okay, I'm really happy with this. So let me just do the other eye. All right, I do want to use one more color because I haven't dipped into 3 of the shades. So I don't know if I want to do dark blue or bright blue. I think I'm gonna do the darker blue, so I'm gonna swatch for you the 2 shades that I'm not using. This is Exposed, and then Showtime is a little brighter. So they swatch really nicely. So I'm gonna wipe that pencil brush off on a makeup wipe. Therefore, it's gonna be just a little tiny bit damp, but not overly so. I don't want it wet. So I'm gonna dip into the one shade I haven't tried, which is 12 AM, this darker shade, which looks to be kind of like a charcoal. I don't really know how it's gonna show up. So I'm gonna dab it. And then I'm gonna take the brush that I blended those shimmer shades with and clean it off in my little color switch. So no extra product on that, and I'm just gonna blend out this lower lash line. So I need some mascara to complete these eyes. In my box, I got the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. So I have one of these somewhere open that I've used, and I don't know where it is. So I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to save it for a giveaway for you guys. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you can follow me. I'll put it up on the screen for you. And once I hit 2,000 followers on Instagram, I'm going to do a big giveaway. I've already got a ton of stuff. I'll tell you, will definitely be including both of these things. I've got masks. I think I've got an eye palette in there. There's a ton of stuff in my bin. So yeah, definitely follow me there, and I will be doing that giveaway once I hit 2,000. And if you love giveaways, I'm going to do a huge one when I hit 10,000 on here. So if you're not subscribed, do that right now. And yeah, so I'm just going to pop on a mascara. So I'm going to use the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. I really like this one. Excuse me. All right, so there you have the eyes. I really don't think I need anything else. I think that's gorgeous. So I hope that you guys can see that well. All right, I have one more thing in my box, which I'm really excited about. This is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lovesick. This is one I'm excited to get. I saw a few variations where I was like, I wouldn't love that so much. But this one's really pretty. It's right up my alley. It's a like mauvey pink. So yeah, those are like my go-tos, mauvey pinks. So let's see. I'm gonna finish off this look with something I got in my Boxy Luxe last month. So this is the Smashbox Photo Finish So Chill Coconut Primer Water. I really love this, and I don't know what it was. Like the original primer water I liked, but I wasn't overjoyed with. But the hint of coconut in this just makes me love it so much. Alright guys, that's my completed look using this month's BOXYCHARM. I hope you enjoyed watching. I am really pleased with the look overall. My favorite things are definitely the palette and the lip. I really like this color on me. I think it's flattering and would go for most skin tones. I do really like the Green Clean from Pharmacy, like I said, so these I'm in love with. The mask was actually really nice too. So I had one that like wasn't a favorite of mine, but overall still really good. It was over $100 value. I think it was like $104 and I paid $21. So I will link BOXYCHARM down below. And right now, if you use my referral link, the first person who uses it, because nobody's used it yet this month, will actually get a full size of a Dr. Brandt microdermabrasion, which is crazy. If you're really interested, check out the link below. I'll put it in the description box if somebody has used it and gotten that, so you guys won't think you're getting it. But yeah, it's a really cool deal. But even without that, BOXYCHARM is just a great deal every month. It's my favorite subscription box. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.